Hello everyone, welcome to Narayana Tech House. This is Narayana. In this data analytics series, I am going to explain all data analytics concepts with real life examples. If you want to become a data analyst, then don't miss this series. Please subscribe our channel Narayana Tech House and click on bell icon to get notification. And please share our videos with your friends also. In the previous video, we explained very clearly what is data in the data analytics.
What about analytics, sir? What is the meaning of analytics? What is the meaning of analytics? What is analytics? What is the analytics? Yes. This is what what is a data? What is the data? Let's see what is the analytics. Analytics means analyzing the data, guys. Whatever data is generated, the data we have to analyze. That is called what? Analytics. Analytics, okay. Whatever data generated, the data we have to analyze. We have to analyze to get a meaningful insights, a useful insights. That is called what? Analytics, right? Okay. So analytics means what here? Means analyzing data to get what? To get meaningful insights, guys. To get meaningful insights. All of you. Okay, tell me now what's analytics here. It means what? Analyzing the data to get meaningful insights. Meaningful insights. All of you. Right? For example, let's see here. I'll take an example of same Swiggy or Amazon, whatever it is. Okay, let's take the Amazon, guys. Amazon, how they use analytics. Let's see how they use this analytics. So they also have the data, right? So once you open the website Amazon, so whatever you do in that one, right? Everything will track, guys, right? So whatever item you click, okay, whatever items you are just browsing, and whatever you purchased previously, what you want to purchase, right? Everything they track you, right? Okay, and let's see here in Amazon, right? So they track you. Why they track you? All of right. Observe here. So Amazon tracks. Okay, what we search, and what we buy, right? Okay. So why the tracks are? Why they track? What is the use of tracking? Just as a customer, I am opening the website, I am searching, I am buying. That's all. Again, why the tracking? Is it legal or illegal tracking? It is legal, guys. And why the track means? Observe here. Why? Because why the track? Because observe here. The first thing is a recommendation, guys. What you call it? It's called recommendation, suggestions. Suggestions. Okay. Suppose observe here. If you buy a smartphone, for example, if you buy a smartphone, then it will suggest you, guys, what they suggest, it will suggest you, okay, phone covers, guys, right? Phone covers, yes or no? It suggests the phone covers. If you buy phone, it suggests immediately phone covers also. All of you, right? Okay, means see, they suggest you a similar items, guys. Suppose if you buy any book now, if you buy any book, if you buy any book, then it will suggest okay, similar type of the books, guys. Suggest similar type of books, books immediately. They don't leave you with one book, guys. They try to make you buy multiple books. Right. All of right. Once you open the website, they don't leave you just by buying one book. They try to make you buy multiple books, guys. Right. See, if you go to the any shopping mall also, or if you go to the DMart also, just if just we are going to buy just one product, but they try to make us buying multiple products, guys. Right. Multiple products. They don't force us. They don't force to buy multiple products. by showing their products to us, they tempt us to buy multiple products by recommending us. It's also same. Just if you want to buy one phone, they suggest you buy which one phone covers also. If you try to buy any book, they show you multiple books with the same type of the content, guys, right? See, recently what happened in my case only, just yesterday only, what happened? I opened Amazon. I tried to buy one chain, guys. Chain. Why chain means not a necklace, guys. The chain to lock the doors. To lock the two doors are there. I want one chain. So then I'm searching for the chain, guys. Okay, chain. It suggested me the lock also. All of you observe here. I don't want lock actually. I have the lock. Very strong lock is there. I'm searching for the only chain, but suggesting me lock also. Why? Because the people who buy the chains, general they buy the locks also. They need the locks, right? Whether you buy or not a matter. The people who buy the chains, who need the chains, they need the lock also. That's why they suggest, guys. They suggest all of you, right? Okay. So like that, for recommendation purpose, guys, what they do, they track our data. They track our data, guys. For just recommendation purpose only. All of you. Okay. Right. So take any example, not only this one. Suppose if you open Swiggy also, guys, Swiggy also, what they do, they suggest the items what you like every time. Suppose every time I open the Swiggy and always I'm buying the biryani, for example. Next time, what happens here? When you open the Swiggy, it show you automatically biryani items. And also they keep on messages. Today, very delicious biryani is there. Don't miss it. Are you feeling hungry? Don't wait, grab the opportunity. Like that, they give us some sentiment, attractive messages, guys, right? YouTube, guys, YouTube also, because we people daily use the YouTube, right? YouTube. Huh. Right. Allah observe. See, if I open my YouTube website, what is coming by default, political videos displaying, guys. All of you. See, in my laptop, let's compare my laptop and your laptop. Different laptops, okay, different machines, guys. All of you, right? Observe now. See, here, this is my laptop. This is another laptop and another laptop. Three laptops are there. Okay. These three owned by different people, not the same person, right? Logged with different mail IDs. This is what some Narayana laptop. This is what some Ramya laptop. And this is what some Monica laptop like this. All of you. Okay. Now observe here. See, in my laptop, when I just open the laptop, what videos are there? Some videos are there, right? Some political videos are there, guys. This is all regarding political, right? Political in the state, in the country, in the international, all political videos are there. What displaying here? Political videos displaying. Political videos are there, right? Okay, fine. And in the same case, when Ramya opened her laptop, and in her laptop, not political videos, guys, maybe different videos displaying here. Suppose observe here, right? So maybe here, imagine she displaying all movies, guys, for example, okay, displaying which one? Only movies, okay. And in Monica laptop, something like when she opened the laptop, same YouTube only, YouTube, guys, youtube.com, okay. Just I'm giving randomly this boxes, guys, okay. And here, suppose she's getting some course videos, guys, okay. Is the cursor. Ah, like some training videos, okay. Some training videos, guys, right? Maybe Python videos or Django videos, something like that. SQL. That's all. Right. See, why like this? See, all using the same website, right? All of you. I am using what? I am using the youtube.com, right? Okay. And they are also using youtube.com only. But why different videos coming here? Why not the same videos? Here youtube.com, here also youtube.com, and here also youtube.com, right? Okay. So even though all using the same website, But why different videos are displaying? That is based on our previous search. That is based on our previous interest, guys. Previously, every time I used to watch political videos. That's why now displaying political videos only to you. Previously, Ramya used to watch all movies. Previously means like half an hour ago, 1 hour ago, 1 day ago, 2 days ago, 3 days ago, 1 week ago, 1 month ago. So that's why now what is recommending to her? Movies recommending to her. And Monica previously used to watch training videos. Like previously means what? Just 1 minute before, or 1 hour ago, 1 day ago, 2 days ago, 1 week ago, 1 month ago. She used to watch all some courses, Python videos, DA videos, SQL videos. That's why for her, what is displaying? Training videos displaying, guys. Training videos displaying, right? Means, see here we are all using the same website, but still we are getting different types of videos. That is based on the our previous search. Previously, whatever you search, whatever you watch, that all data tracking by whom? YouTube. All of right, our previous search, previous watch, previous likes, all of you. So YouTube also tracks our data. It tracks. Okay, what that tracks? Tell me now. It tracks our search history. Search history. What you searched previously, right? Okay, what you searched previously, guys. Search history. Okay, it will track previous watch. Okay, watched videos, what you watched previously, right? It will take what you like, and what you comment, all right, what you comment, what videos you share to your friends, right? These are all those things it will track, guys. So based on this tracking, this is called what? A customer behavior, guys. All of you. This is called what you call here customer behavior. Customer behavior means every business will track customer behavior, customer interest, or customer behavior. So why the tracking here? Why the tracking? Because tomorrow, if you open the website, directly they show you whatever you watched already, or they show you what are you searching previously. So that it's very easy to your customer to watch directly, guys. Suppose observe now, I don't like movies. I don't like suppose trending videos. I want always which are political videos. Daily I'm watching political videos, but still today they're displaying some movies, displaying some courses. I get irritation. Again, I have to go to search box. I should type AP political videos or India political videos. I have to search always. It takes time, but customers need shortcuts. All of it. Customer needs shortcuts always. That's why without your search all those things, directly displaying whatever you want. That's all. So that directly open the website, and then I click it, I watch it. All right, I click it, I watch it. I watch it here. So in this case, that YouTube getting more watch time plus customer getting whatever they want. All right, both have the benefit, guys. See, directly they're displaying whatever I want. So that I'm very happy. I click directly, I can watch it. And YouTube also they're getting benefit, which one maybe watching the ads or watch time, different scenarios are there. So this is called what? Win to win scenario, guys. This is called win to win. Win to win means so because of this data analytics, the company is winning, customers also winning. We are both winning, guys. Winning means what? Company getting whatever they want from customer, and customer getting whatever they want from the company. This is called what? Win-to-win scenario, guys. So because of data analytics, what you get result means win-to-win. Means the company will win whatever by getting whatever they want from customer. And customer win whatever we get from the company. All of right. This is called what? Win-to-win scenario. Win-to-win scenario, guys. Okay. So that's all. For user recommendation purpose. Right? What they do, they track the data, guys. They track our data for that purpose only, not for any other purpose. All of you are clear now, guys, exactly what is the data, what is analytics for today. All of you. Yes, okay, we'll see one small example, what they are recommending us. See, by default, guys, by default, see, these are all coming. Why these all coming? Previously, I searched for, see, yesterday only, I searched for this device, guys, for my son. Yesterday, I searched for this all. See, now, directly they are showing on the top of the page. See, continue shopping deals. Can you observe, guys, here? Continue. Yesterday, just I opened this website. I just searched for this all. I searched for the chair, searched for this device, this wheel, skating device, and I stopped it. I did not buy it. So it's saying that which one continue shopping deals, right? All of you. These all, right? Okay. These are my previous history, guys. Okay. AC also my previous history. I searched for AC, right? These all see how much chairs are coming, guys. Just I searched for only one chair for 2 minutes only, guys. But see how many chairs are showing now. Why? To tempt the customer. All of right. See how many devices, how many models they're showing for us. Even though I searched for one device for 1 minute only, but see, printer, I searched for almost 2 months, 3 months back printer, right? Okay, fine. Now I'm going to search a new item. For example, I want to buy one book called suppose 0 to 1 book, guys. 0 to 1 book, all of you. One book is there, 0 to 1 book, that's all. Only one. If I click it, that book is coming. Very good. Now going down, see all books, right? Okay, see. Did not search for this book now. It's coming here. All of right. You can see now. See different books are coming here, right? Okay. See. Search for this book. It's showing which one other book also, guys. All of right. You can observe here. Okay. Search for only one book. It's showing the see now the combination showing, right? Combination, guys. By combination, to increase their sales, click on this one, click on this one. Yes. Now just come down, you can see now. Even though I did not search for these books, but still showing why to increase their sales. Can observe, guys, here. Or let's go with the skating shoes, something for kid, something like this, guys, right? See, skating shoes, right? All of you. If you come down, it will show the group also, guys, right? See, even though I search for only shoes, but recommending what? Recommending the helmet, gloves, all of it. As a group, as a combo, it is recommending us, guys. So it's showing which one again? That scooter, right? Kick scooter, guys. Again, see, previously, see, it think that I may forget about the books, guys. It's showing the books also, right? This is called business, guys. Okay. It's showing my previous history also here. See, for my son, I searched, guys. For my son, it's showing all. Printer. Okay, fine, guys. We'll stop it. We'll see it tomorrow. Thank you all of guys. Bye. Don't miss tomorrow.